बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम इंशाअल्लाह माशाअल्लाह सुब्हानल्लाह assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Today's topic is, can atheists answer? According to science and Quran, the skies and the earth were joined. Then the skies became separated from the earth and the sun, etc. This theory of science is called the Big Bang theory. Surah Anbiya number 121 verse number 30 says, do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation, then we parted them. When the sun and the earth were joined, therefore the temperature was very high, extremely high. Even now the sun's temperature is 5,505 degrees centigrade, whereas the hot temperature summer, when people cry it's too hot, it's only 40 degrees to 50 degrees centigrade. No life was possible when on the earth when the temperature was 5,505 degrees centigrade. That is when it was part of the sun. So in the beginning, when the temperature was 5,505 degrees centigrade, neither man nor woman was present on the earth. The first man therefore must have been created directly from the earth without any father and mother. The first man cannot be a baby because a baby needs milk of the mother. And the baby cannot, even if the milk is put on the table, the baby cannot drink it. Therefore the first man was created as a young man who could eat with his own hands. The young man cannot come from the womb of woman. Therefore the young man was created by someone. This someone was God. The Holy Bible and the Holy Quran both say that God created mankind without parents directly from soil and clay. The Holy Bible, Genesis 2 verse 7 says, the Lord God formed the man out of the soil of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and the man became a living being. Holy Quran, Surah Hijr, chapter number 15, verse number 26 says, and indeed we created man from sounding clay of altered black smooth mud. The atheist will say that if God can exist without beginning, then why not also man? The answer is that man cannot exist in the original temperature of 5,505 degrees centigrade, but God can exist in 5,505 degrees centigrade. The uncreated being has to pass many tests like 5,505 degrees centigrade. Therefore, dear atheists, God, the uncreated being, does exist. Believe in God, believe Him quickly, and keep believing without any end. God be with you.